and Barbara on the airplane. Oh, our flight's here just in time.
I know, I heard your voice down here. Talk to them for that.
Finally, off the plane. Alright. So now I guess we just go get a taxi and head to our place. So yeah, taxis are kind of too expensive, so we won't be buying those. Anyways, hey, don't you love skateboards? Yeah, I love skateboards. So we could rent one of those. That sounds nice. Alright, we're on the skateboards that we've rented. Alright, let's just leave that money there since no one's here to rent it to us, and we're out of here. Are you sure this is our hotel? Yeah, it's our hotel. I got the right address. Alright. Hello, sir. Here's our ticket for the hotel. We'd like to check in. Here, just give me a second. And you're all checked in. You can go inside. Thank you. Billy and Debra made it safely into their hotel and didn't almost get thrown out the window because of a skateboard.